Where the hell were you? You went out? Yeah, I can see that. I mean, what place? At your friend's house. What were you doing there? Hey, I'll ask a question. What were you doing there? You asked for help. On what? Your homework? Why didn't you ask me? I can help. Yeah, I know I was busy with stuff, but I still can help if you ask. We are literally in the same house. You didn't need to go out this time of night. You could have gotten hurt. And you know I'm not gonna save your ass. I'm only your roommate, nothing more. Because you're the one that wants to leave at night, not me. You really need to tell me if you're going out or not. I can't read minds, you know. Why do I care? I don't care. I just wanted to know because I would have locked the door and I wouldn't have known you went out. Because you left the keys here, dumbass. How would you come in if I wasn't awake? Yeah, I thought so. Just be careful, okay? I don't want to see you get kidnapped or something. Yes, you would. You know how dangerous it is outside, right? Anything can happen to you. Stop being so stubborn. You are so annoying. I don't know how to tell you all of this. You should have known by now. Anyways, what else were you doing? Just homework? Are you serious? No one comes home at 11 p.m. after finishing homework. I can see that you are lying. Because you always look away when you're lying. I've known you for 4 months now. Of course I would know. We may not be friends, but I know you long enough to know that you are lying. What? No, I'm not jealous. Why would I be? I just don't like him. Why? Because he just seems off to me. Yes, I know I haven't talked to him before, but I've seen him, so I know he gives off a bad vibe. I told you, I'm not jealous. No, don't call me cute. I'm not. What? No, I'm not blushing. It's just hot in here. Stop changing the subject. Why am I acting like this? What do you mean? There's nothing wrong with me. It's just been a stressful week, okay? I have a lot to do and you're not making it easier for me. What do I mean? Well, what? No, I'm not lying. It's just hard to say. Okay, fine. I'll tell you. You are so annoying. The reason why I'm acting like this is because I'm jealous, okay? I lied about some of those things, but because I was too embarrassed to tell you. Why? Do I really need to spell this out for you? I like you for a while now, and I hate having these messy feelings. There's a reason why I buy you stuff and cook breakfast for you every morning. You are the reason I smile every time seeing you. I try to tell you, but I have a hard time showing my feelings. I'm not a tsundere. I just hate showing feelings. Mm, mm. But it doesn't matter if you spend more time with him anyways. You want to tell me something? So go ahead. Wait, what? You were asking me for dating advice? Oh, you did that all for me? Wait, you like me too? Why? I've been so mean to you. I didn't expect you would like me back.